You know that feeling when a house just feels right? Yeah, this one has it. Step inside where calm energy and thoughtful design greet you right away. A spacious living area centers around the fireplace, perfect for quiet mornings or lively gatherings. Natural light pours in, connecting you to the outdoors even while you're curled up inside. The kitchen inspires more than just meals. It's made for connection. With upgraded appliances and open flow to the dining area, it's ideal for casual dinners or holiday celebrations. Step into your screened porch, where morning coffee meets birdsong and summer evenings stretch just a little longer. The first floor primary suite offers daily retreat, blending comfort, privacy, and ease. 124 Honeysuckle Lane, peaceful, practical, and just minutes from everything. From nearby shops and restaurants to the airport, hospital, and Lake Champlain's shoreline. From morning routines to life's big milestones, this home is ready for what's next and what matters most.